Hi. So what is an arithmetic progression? It is basically a sequence of numbers where there is arithmetic relationship between any number and the number before or after that. So let's apply this concept to this question over here. So here we are given that A1 is equals to 4. So that is the first term in the sequence. And we are also given that A2 equals to 7. And we are asked to determine A11. Alright. So if I were to write out the sequence, I will get 4, 7, and so on, correct? So like I mentioned just now, we need to find the arithmetic relationship between one number and the next. So you can see that the difference here, D, is given as 7 minus 4, which is equals to 3. That means every number coming one after another in the sequence, you have to increment by 3. Now, if I want to find A11, of course, I can carry on in the sequence, alright, but that is not the sort of most efficient way of doing it. So there's actually a formula to solve the nth term in a arithmetic progression sequence. So what is that formula? The formula is given by this. An is equals to A1 plus n minus 1d. So what is An? An is the nth number that we wish to find. So in this case, n is equals to 11. So A11 is equals to A1. A1 is the first term in the sequence. That is 4 plus n minus 1. So n is 11. So it is 11 minus 1 multiplied by d. And what is d? D is the difference multiplied by 3. So that will give me 4 plus 10 times 3 will give me an answer of 34. So the 11th term in this sequence is 34. Alright, so I hope that gives you a good start to arithmetic progression. Check out my other videos where we will explore more on this particular maths concept. Thank you. Bye.